Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. The price of the US dollar reached a one-year low today as the Jamaican dollar posted gains for a 10th straight day. The US dollar was selling for $127.89 today, the lowest it's been since September 15 last year. The Canadian dollar sold for $102.58. The pound sterling is going for $168.23, while the euro costs $150.93. Finance Minister Audley Shaw says the government will be reviewing how growth is measured in Jamaica. Mr. Shaw made a disclosure today after highlighting that billions of dollars in investments are set to be implemented in Jamaica. He, however, did not say if the new measurements will be used to revise growth in previous years. Dashan Hendricks reports.
Finance Minister Audley Shaw says many major projects are to be rolled out in Jamaica over the next few years. Projects ranging from the expansion of Alpart to new hotel rooms and business process outsourcing operations.
When you put all of these projects together, you're looking at between 16 and 20 billion US dollars of investment. Now that must show growth. It must show job creation.
In fact, Mr. Shaw says that the jobs to be created will be coming so fast. Training programs, especially for young people, will have to be developed to match the pace of job creation.
Because what's going to happen is that the demand for jobs are going to actually outpace the trained. We have a lot of unemployed people, but they're not trained.
But Mr. Shaw, weary that the investments will not be properly reflected in the growth numbers of the future, says how the economy is measured will have to change.
The way that Statin is measuring it right now, they are using a base year of 1998. The developed world are using a base year of 2008.
So 10 years.
10-year difference. And the base year relates to how you measure it, what are some of the major sectors that you make sure that you implant into the measurement process. So that has to be reviewed as well, because there's no question in anybody's mind that things are picking up. There's a buoyancy out there, jobs are being created.
For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
And for a look at how petrol prices will be tomorrow, here's Dashan Hendricks.
Well, 5 weeks of respite comes to an end for consumers this week, with Petrojam announcing an increase in the price of gasoline. The state-owned refinery says that the price of both E10 87 and E10 90 gasoline will increase by 48 cents this week. The price of diesel goes up as well, regular going up by 76 cents, while low sulfur diesel increases by 35 cents. Kerosene, it is going down this week, some 47 cents, but propane and butane both go up. Propane up by 64 cents, while butane increases by 38 cents. It's now back to you.
In the meantime, global oil prices ended with a minor gain on Wednesday on uncertainties about crude supplies and escalating tensions in the Middle East. Oil for delivery in November added 16 cents to settle at $52.04 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. It's the highest price since September 27. And finally, stocks ended mostly higher today, pushing the JC index to a new all-time high, 277,280 points, while the junior market index gained 9 points. Stocks posting gains included 1834 Investments, Berger Paints, Carreras, Grace Kennedy, Maybury Investments, Portland JSX, Scotia Group, and T-Tech. On the losing end were Access Financial, Jamaica Broilers, Lasco Distributors, Sagicor Group, and Supreme Ventures. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.
Business Day.